Hiya, Brian here from BE Property Mentors, coming fresh from our office at Town Head in Irvine, number 4. You can find us at the top of the town. Just a quick read through of the Irvine property market update, March 2025, which brings us right up to February, so some figures fresh in the door from February, and we look back at the year and in various different areas. So here it is. As spring has officially sprung, let's take a moment to assess the latest movements in the urban property market. This update focuses on key trends in KA11 and KA12, offering insights into changes in supply, demand, letting and selling conditions. With shifts in available stock, sales activity and time on the market, understanding these patterns will help homeowners, buyers and investors make informed decisions in this evolving landscape. Sales overview. The Irvine property market, covering KA11 and KA12, has shown a mix of trends over the past year. Comparing February 24 to February 25, KA11 saw a notable increase in new instructions, rising from 26 to 33, indicating more sellers entering the market. However, sales agreed dropped from 29 to 20, suggesting that buyer demand has slowed. Meanwhile, KA12 experienced steady growth, with new instructions increasing from 28 to 30 and sales agreed rising from 24 to 26. A key trend this month is the time properties are spending on the market. In KA11, the average days on the market jumped significantly from 58 to 77, pointing to a slowdown in buyer urgency. Similarly, in KA12, days in the market increased from 51 to 69 days, meaning homes are taking longer to sell despite increased activity. These shifts suggest that while more properties are coming to the market, buyer demand is not keeping pace, particularly in KA11. With rising stock levels and longer selling times, it will be interesting to see how the Irvine market adjusts in the coming months. House price analysis for Irvine and North Ayrshire. In contrast to the above, throughout Scotland we are seeing a situation where house prices are growing, including Irvine and North Ayrshire, where we are seeing an improvement in rate. North Ayrshire, the average house price in December 24 was £128,000, reflecting a 3.1% annual increase. This is slightly higher than the previous mentioned 1.4% growth. Irvine continues to show stable property values, aligning with the broader regional trend. South Ayrshire, the average house price in December 24 was £170,000, marking a 7.5% annual growth. While slightly lower than the 8.3 previously noted, it still highlights the area's desirability. Scotland overall, the average house price in December 24 was £189,000, with an annual growth rate of 6.9%. This is consistent with the strong performance of the Scottish housing market. Buyer demographics. As we progress through 2025, Irvine's property market remains vibrant, with the diverse buyer demographics shaping the local landscape. First-time buyers. Irvine continues to attract first-time buyers due to the affordability and government schemes that ease the process of getting onto the property ladder. Compared to neighbouring towns like Troon, Irvine remains a more budget-friendly option, making it particularly appealing to younger buyers. The advice and guidance available in the first-time buyer guide for Troon are equally applicable to Irvine if you want to take a look at the other article that I wrote for first-time buyers. Buyers in general, there's a lot of good tips and help in there. Property investors. Investors remain attracted to Irvine for the strong rental yields, ongoing development projects and overall affordability. The town's lower average asking price compared with nearby Troon provides significant advantage, particularly when factoring in taxes such as 8% ADS, which is additional dwellings tax, on additional dwellings and variable land and buildings transaction tax. This price difference can result in substantial tax savings during the initial purchase, making Irvine an even more appealing choice for cost-conscious investors. While the town may lack in the high-end properties available in neighbouring areas, it offers consistent returns and growing demand for rental homes, cementing its reputation as a promising location for long-term investment opportunities. Relocators. Irvine is becoming increasingly popular among families and professionals seeking a quieter lifestyle. Its proximity to Glasgow, combined with local amenities like parks, schools and coastal living, enhances its appeal. The town's affordability and quality of life make it an ideal choice for those looking to relocate. The property market in Irvine has shown steady growth in early 2025, supported by strong demand across all buyer categories. With continued development and excellent transport links, the town's market is poised to further success. Rental market insights, early 2025. The Irvine rental market continues to see notable changes in early 2025, following steady price increases in 24. As of December 2024, the average private rent in North Ayrshire, including Irvine, reached £612 per month, a 6.9% rise from £572 in December 23. This growth aligns with national trends, with Scotland's average rent for a two-bedroom property increasing by 6.2% to £893. Key drivers include limited housing supply and rising demand, as affordability challenges push more households into renting. Rent control measures introduced in 2022 deterred some of the landlords from expanding rental portfolios, further tightening supply. Looking ahead, Scottish Government proposals to cap rent increases between 1% and 6% above CPI in designated rent control areas could impact further investment. While these measures aim to protect tenants, industry experts warn they may make the sector less attractive to investors. For landlords, rising rents present an opportunity for strong yields, while tenants may face higher costs and increased competition. With ongoing policy changes and evolving market conditions, staying informed is key to navigating Irvine's rental market in 2025. New developments and infrastructure improvements. In early 2025, Irvine has seen significant progress in local development and infrastructure projects aimed at enhancing the community and boosting the property market. Harbourside transformation. In February 2025, McLemon Construction commenced work on a transformative project at Irvine's Harbourside. This initiative is a key component of the £251 million Ayrshire growth deal, with the first phase focusing on developing a themed regional play park. The project aims to revitalise the area, attract tourism and provide recreational spaces for residents. Great Harbour Project. Simultaneously, work began on the £14 million Great Harbour Project, another significant venture under the Ayrshire growth deal. Supported by £9 million from the Scottish Government, this project seeks to transform Irvine's Harbourside area, enhancing its appeal and functionality. Council tax levy on second homes. To address housing availability, North Ayrshire Council has announced a policy to implement a 100% council tax premium on second homes, effective from 1st April 2025. This measure aims to increase the availability of primary residences and support community sustainability. Capital Investment Programme. North Ayrshire Council approved a £331 million capital investment programme set to deliver substantial investments in coming years to support communities and residents. This programme encompasses various projects including infrastructure enhancements, new build initiatives and educational facilities, aiming to improve the quality of life for residents. These developments reflect a connected effort to enhance Irvine's infrastructure, housing and community amenities, positioning the area for substantial growth, sustained growth and improved living standards. Market resilience and future outlook. As we move further into 2025, the Irvine property market remains dynamic, with shifting trends in supply, demand and pricing. While this increase in new listings suggests growing confidence among sellers, longer time in the market indicates that buyer demand is lagging slightly, particularly in KA11. However, Irvine's property values continue to show resilience, reflecting the steady growth seen across North Ayrshire and Scotland as a whole. The rental market also remains strong, with rising demand and limited supply pushing rental prices upward. While policy changes may impact future investment decisions, the town's affordability and strong rental yields continue to attract landlords and investors. Meanwhile, Irvine's ongoing infrastructure projects, including the harbourside transformation and Great Harbour development, promise to enhance the town's appeal, potentially driving future property demand coupled with significant capital investment programme. The policies aimed at addressing housing availability. Irvine is well positioned for long-term growth. For buyers, sellers and investors alike, staying informed about these evolving market conditions will be key to making smart property decisions. Whether purchasing a home, renting or investing, Irvine continues to offer strong opportunities in an ever-changing landscape. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Feel free to connect for more property insights. Details are available on the post. Good to see you guys again. Thank you.